Hello everyone, welcome to PW. Good evening everyone. So this session is live. Please let me know by writing in the comment section whether audio and video everything is perfect or not. Please let me know by writing in the comment section whether audio and video everything is perfect or not. So this session is live and I am going to discuss one very important topic. That is hidden career path. Great. So in this session, I am going to tell you about some hidden jobs which are apart from PSU that you can get just by preparing for GATE exam or for ESC exam. Okay. So everyone is ready for this? Great, sir. Now, first of all, mostly student thinks that GATE exam is only a path for PSU, but that is not true. There are some other organizations which are, you can say it is a kind of PSU or a better than PSU. That is your government research and development organizations. Many government research labs and institute recruit candidates through GATE score, as well as they may take some of the exam by their own, okay, like DRDO and ISRO, for the scientist, engineer and research associate roles. So some of them already you know. First one is your Indian Space Research Organization. All of you are aware with the ISRO. ISRO will be recruiting through the GATE, as well as it is also recruiting through their own panelized exams, okay. The other one is DRDO. It is very prestigious to work in the defense, okay, and in the research and development. If you are able to get a position in DRDO, if you are able to get a selection in DRDO, you will come to know about the technologies which are not known by the other common peoples. Okay, so it is very prestigious to work in DRDO. Next is your Bhabha Atomic Research Center, that is BARC. BARC is also recruiting through GATE, as well as they are taking their own exams. Same preparation is going to help you for this, okay. Other is CSIR labs, the Councils of Scientific and Industrial Research. So most of you are not aware with this, but this is also a similar kind of the research and research associates, as well as junior research fellowship will be provided here. Then you can also join IIT, IISc or NITs as a research associate or junior research fellow, where you will get the stipends, as well as you will get a research associate. You will get the you can say you will get a better opportunities after doing the research or a junior research fellowship in the IITs or IIScs. Next is your ICMR, IGCR and other national labs also provides you a junior research fellow or a research fellow in the research and development labs. So these are some those kind of, apart from these three are also those kind of research and development programs where a student will get a chance to work as a junior research fellow. If you want to ask anything, please feel free to ask, okay. I'm going to elaborate some other things also. Please observe, if you are preparing for GATE, you will also get an opportunity to work as a teaching or as a teacher, okay. So mostly student also want to get a opportunity to go in the academics. So you will have the opportunity through the GATE. If you are doing your M.Tech, or PhD, you will get an opportunity. Now please observe how GATE will help you. Some of the programs will run by the government that will help students. Assistant professor in engineering college. After completion of your M.Tech or PhD, you can apply for faculty position in NITs, IITs or IIITs. Their salary packages are very good, and if your desire is to come into the teaching zone, then this will give you a great startup in your career. State universities and private colleges are also recruiting only those students who have completed their M.Tech with some good IITs, okay. Polytechnic institutes and diploma, this is also a government job, okay. State governments have different polytechnic institutes, which provides a diploma certification. There also a teaching role will be offered to those students who have completed their M.Tech. The other is UGC, CSIR, NET plus GATE helps you to securing lecturer position in the research fellowship programs. So these are some different kind of opportunities which a student will get if he will complete his M.Tech or a PhD in the required domain. Okay. Now I will just going to highlight some more parts which maybe some of you are not aware. Higher studies and sponsored fellowship. If you able to qualify your GATE exam, then you can pursue M.Tech, MS or PhD and a better job opportunities after post graduation will be available. That will be much at a higher package comparative to the normal B.Tech. Okay, ISC, IITs or NITs, M.Tech or MS or PhD will give you a stipends of 12,400 per month. So this stipend will also makes you independent. If you just want to do your M.Tech and you don't want to be dependent on your parents, it is a possible. You will get a little bit of financial independency also. Foreign universities like Germany, Singapore, etc. are also considering GATE scorecard. So if you have a GATE scorecard, then you may get an opportunity to do your MS or PhD admission in the foreign universities. Prime Minister Research Fellowship, that is PMRF. In PMRF, the students who have completed their M.Tech, if they are pursuing their research in IITs or ISCs, they will get the stipends of 70,000 to 80,000. Again, this is a kind of financial independency while proving yourself in some research and development program. Then research fellowship leading PhD positions also. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. There is one big announcement to all of you. So all of you are aware with that Nirman. So Nirman होगा एक नया भविष्य का निर्माण. You can you have an opportunity to register. You can give the exam, and while qualifying, after qualifying the exam, you will get an opportunity of having some different kind of courses in the Nirman. Okay. Now let's talk about Nirman quiz concept from 2nd to 6th of September. I think all of you have already done this. Winner announcement will be done on the 8th of September. Now come back to the other opportunities like private sectors. Just by doing B.Tech, you may not get an opportunity to work in a some better core type of job. Like if you are from electronics, you may not get to work in VLSI domains. But after performing your M.Tech, you will get a good opportunity. After performing your M.Tech, you will get a good opportunity to work in a core IT analytics companies, okay, as well as VLSIs. M.Tech graduates from IITs, NITs and ISCs are getting recruited by the top companies in the various sector. So the scene is being changed. Previously, the B.Tech student will get the entire leverage, but now M.Tech students are getting more leverage than B.Tech students because now the quality is being more improved, okay. So if you get an opportunity to perform your M.Tech, you are going with the good scores and everything. In the placement, you will get an opportunity to recruited by some very good private institutions where your life is almost settled, like Google and your Microsoft. And also you will get an opportunity for teaching purposes that I have highlighted. Apart from these are some hidden gems which you are going to get just after preparation of your B.Tech, just after preparation of your GATE exam. Now core engineering companies, let's talk about core engineering companies, okay. So if I talk about core engineering companies, then mechanical, automobiles like Tata Motors, Mahindra, Ashok Leyland or Bosch are taking students who have completed their M.Tech in mechanical. In electrical and electronics, Intel, Qualcomm, Texas Instruments, and ABB, Siemens, you will get an opportunity to be recruited by these companies at a very high packages. Okay. For civil, L&T, okay, and also you are going to be recruited in different kind of state public sector domain is also going to be open for you, because if you are preparing for GATE, your preparation will be very good. If your preparation will be very good, you are going to score in a better way in a public sector commission, public section commission of the state. Okay, like you Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission, you may get an opportunity in MP PSC, Public Service Commission of Madhya Pradesh, or different. So those papers are little bit, you can say, in a moderate to easier side of the GATE. So if you are preparing for GATE, you will get an opportunity to be recruited there also, because the vacancies for civil peoples are very high. Now let's talk about software and IT companies. So many M.Tech students from NITs and IITs are being placed in the IT companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, PhonePe, Swiggy, Tata, Infosys, Wipro. So all these are going to be open for you in the IITs once you perform your M.Tech. Product-based companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Adobe, Nvidia, all of you are aware with this. So after performing your M.Tech from VLSI, you will get an opportunity to move into the Nvidia also. Startups, fintechs like Paytm, Zomato, Swiggy, PhonePe. IT services like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra. So there you will get an opportunity after performing your M.Tech. So M.Tech will give you another path for your career. Okay, another path for your career. Another thing is data science, AI. So we all know that this entire generation is moving towards the artificial intelligence, and no doubt in the upcoming 2 to 5 years we will see everything will be worked onto the AI module only. So you can make your career to this AI machine learning side also if you are going to perform your M.Tech from data science as well as from the software. So data analytics, AI companies like IBM, and they are not only recruiting software engineers, they are recruiting other engineers as well for training for the AI executions. They need electrical engineers, civil engineers, every type kind of engineers are needed. Okay, so you will get an opportunity there also. Financial services like Goldman Sachs, this will give you a great salary package. JP Morgan, as well as they will give you a I can say not only the financially they are going to make you stable, they are also going to make your future stable. So these kind of companies are almost a kind of it is almost equivalent to the government job with a very high package, you can say. Okay, let's talk about state government jobs. Already I told you a little bit about the state government jobs. Every state will have their own public service commission, and the state public service commission exam is a little bit a kind of your civil services exam only, but there is no the technical portion is similar to the your GATE part only. Okay, so your ESC and GATE relevant questions are there in the technical portion, and you can easily qualify this kind of exam. Many state governments recruit engineers based upon the score, GATE score. So there, like let us suppose about Uttar Pradesh Public Power Corporation Limited. Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited is also recruiting through GATE. So other Bihar Public Service Commission and Bihar State Electricity Board is also taking. So there are some different kind of electricity board, Jal Nigams, they are also recruiting those students who have a GATE score. They are shortlisting with the help of GATE score. State power generation transmission companies like Transco, Gensco, and your West Bengal Electricity Board. Already I told you about Punjab Electricity Board. So every state will have their own electricity board. If you want to work in your own state, you will get an opportunity through the valid GATE score. Okay. Irrigation and water resource department like civil engineers for dam and canal projects. So this is some of the those who are already working in state government. Mostly engineers are experienced that central government may give a transfer from one state to another state, but if you are in the state government, you can enjoy your entire career in your own state. So this is a great opportunity for all of you. State engineering services, already I told you about the state engineering services. It comes under the Public Service Commission. Now let's talk about entrepreneurship and startups. When you are studying something, your overall personality development will occur. So when you are preparing for GATE and after preparation, when you are doing your M.Tech, you are getting a connection with those kind of people that your way of thinking is changed. Okay, so that will help you to move into the entrepreneurship and startups. You can create your own startups. Okay, after even some of the students who are in the worked as a junior research fellow, they have started their own career, their own startups. So that kind of also idea is possible for everyone. Hoping all of you are able to understand what kind of different kind of possibilities for an engineer just for preparing their own B.Tech curriculum that they have completed. So if you have completed your B.Tech curriculum, your GATE exam is based upon your B.Tech curriculum only. And just after clearing the B.Tech your GATE exam, you will be able to get these kind of, apart from PSUs, these kind of hidden gems also will be available for you. Hoping all of you are able to understand this part perfectly. If you want to ask anything, please feel free to ask. So this is a question time. Those students who want to ask, please feel free to ask. Okay. So some students wanted to get a machine class. Okay, 1 hour more. If you have any doubt related to your future, your career path, please feel free to ask. See, if you really want to get stabilized in your career, then study is the most simplest path that you can opt, and you can reach the highest peak which is possible through the study only. All other things will do, you need to do lot of work to generate something, but just by studying you can reach to your peak possible if you are just studying your graduation part perfectly. Okay, so this GATE preparation will help you a lot. So if you are in the preparation, try to make your preparation to be boosted as much as possible. Try to score as high as possible so that you will be in the sum of the selective students who are being selected for every company and every IITs. Okay. See, presently there are in most of the PSUs there are interviews are there. Okay, only in some like BSNL, JTO don't take any kind of interview, but in mostly if you are nearby class B or in a group B category, you have to go through the interview. So you are not going to escape the interview part. Okay, so prepare your interview as well. Not needed now, right now. Once you qualify your exam, then we will guide you how to prepare for your interview. Okay. Interview can be in Hindi or English. It totally depends upon your comfortability. An interviewer just want to understand how you will handle the complexities, how you are going to handle the interview pressure, how you are handling the questions. So it doesn't matter if you are started replying in Hindi, they will start doing the interview in Hindi, except if the panel is from the not from the north. If the panel is not from the north, so they have their own languages, so they want to communicate in English only. Okay, so it's not a difficult task. Mostly the students, if the student is comfortable in Hindi, they will start in Hindi. If the student is comfortable in English, they will start in English. Okay. Prashad, hoping you will get your information. So thank you everyone. Lots of love. Hoping this session will little bit enhances your way of approach towards GATE. Thank you everyone. Good night.